Hi guys, this is Katrina and I'd like to welcome you back to my channel if you're an old-time subscriber, and I'd like to say welcome if you are new here. And if you are new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below along with the little notification bell so that you will be notified every time I upload a new video. So in this video I am going to be reviewing BrioGeo's Don't Despair Repair Honey Moisture Deep Conditioning Mask. And this is what the packaging looks like. It's super duper cute, y'all. This is one of the reasons that made me want to try it, along with the fact that it has honey in it. So I have already shampooed and conditioned my hair, so I'm just going to go ahead and take this little bun out and section my hair off so we can go ahead and see what this deep conditioner is all about. So this is what my hair is looking like. I used the BrioGeo Be Gentle, Be Kind Kale and Apple Replenishing Superfood Conditioner and Shampoo. I just used the little sample sizes that came with the honey mask here. And I will say that the shampoo was decent. My hair felt cleansed after I used it and it wasn't stripped or anything. The conditioner, I think I probably could have used more because as you can see, like, this is a very little pack, and you know I like to use a lot of conditioner, and I think most naturals do. But I put all of the conditioner in my hand at once, and then I concentrated mostly on my ends and then worked my way up. When I applied it to my ends, like, it did feel like it had like some slip to it. But I would definitely need more to see if I really like this conditioner. So like I said, I'm going to go ahead and section my hair, and we are going to start applying this honey mask. And I will also say that the shampoo and conditioner, it had like maybe a hint of apple, but it wasn't overpowering or like just out there. I kind of wish it would because I do like the smell of apple, but that's okay. All right, so we're gonna start with this section here. Okay, so this is what it looks like, and I do know that it has a little seal on it, which is always a good thing. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's right here, and I don't know if it's showing up on camera, but it is like a light beige color. But this is what it looks like. It feels very, very creamy. On the scale of thickness of like 1 to 10, I would say it's probably about maybe like a 5 or a 6. The smell, it's like a very light smell, maybe like a hint of the honey. But yeah, it's nothing like spectacular or anything. It's just a very nice light scent. So I'm going to go ahead and apply it to the ends first, since we all know that those are the driest parts of our hair. And as I'm applying it, like, it does have slip to it. I feel that my hair is really, really absorbing the mask very, very nicely, and it is giving it some shine as well. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some more water to it. So I'm going to go in with my Pattern Beauty Detangling brush. There is a reason our Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask is a 2020 Allure Reader's Choice Award winner. This unique and plant-cased formula of transformative nutrients like B vitamins, rosehip and argan oils, algae, and biotin to replenish dry and damaged hair to a shiny, healthy-looking, and lustrous state. Now that we're moving into the colder and drier months, your hair might need an extra boost of moisture. That's where our girl, Honey, comes in. We formulated a limited edition version of this mask, our new Don't Despair Repair Honey Moisture Deep Conditioning Mask. This mask is infused with organic honey for intense hydration and moisture. And as you can see, like, I have no problems with detangling with this deep conditioner. I have no complaints so far. So as always, I am going to go ahead and twist this section up and finish the rest of my hair, and I'll be back once I'm done. This deep conditioner is 97% naturally derived. There are no harsh sulfates, no silicones, no phthalates, no parabens, no DEA, and no artificial dyes. The rosehip oil is rich in essential fatty acids that hydrate to control frizz and split ends. The organic honey is an antioxidant, and it's an excellent humectant that retains moisture and helps to strengthen the hair. Avocado oil contains a robust fatty acid composition that nourishes and conditions. Kiwi fruit extract is also an antioxidant. It contains high levels of vitamin C, which provides antioxidant protection. Okay, so I am done applying this mask to my hair, and according to the directions, it says to leave in for 5 to 10 minutes. I'll probably leave it in for about 30 minutes just so it can, absorb into my strands and get that heat circulating through my strands and just, activate the honey mask even more. So here is my little plastic cap right here, and I'm just going to put it on. And after the 30 minutes is up, I'll rinse my hair out and I'll come back and let you guys see what my hair looks like. Okay, so I have rinsed out the hair mask, and I'm going to take my twist down so you guys can see what my hair is looking like. As you can see, I just rinsed my hair out with the twist still in. I will just take these twists loose so you guys can just see what my hair looks like. And my hair feels really soft, y'all. It feels super duper moisturized. As you can see, the definition is there. Like, this hair mask is, it's pretty awesome. I have no complaints about it. I would definitely purchase it again. Just get this twist unloosened. But yeah, this is what my hair is looking like, y'all. Super duper defined. So yeah, that is pretty much it for this video. Comment down below and let me know if you've used this mask before and what your thoughts were. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please go ahead and do so before you go. I would greatly appreciate it, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.